All right, looks like we are live. How are you doing, everyone? Thanks for joining me. I see some people starting to join here on the side, and then we're going to get started. Today is a very exciting day for me because not every day that you get to launch something that you worked on for a long time, and it's been a challenging couple of months trying to juggle everything together, but I think that we got to a place where now everything is working in tandem, so it makes it really nice to have complementing solutions that I can bring to our industry. And I would love to show you how we can use the new product that we just launched today, which is called Bertha.ai, and how we can use Bertha to generate content really fast for this website that I've set up here. So I have this kind of wireframe set up. So I will just give it a few more minutes for people to start joining us. And as you're joining, please let me know who you are in the chat, who is joining us today, and where are you joining from? So let's see, we have some people starting to join us from different areas. Okay, that's cool. And yeah, let me know in the chat. So I know there's a bit of delay. So what I'm really looking to do today is to create, to make this as short as possible, this session as short as possible, and to create a full-on homepage in just a few minutes. And really, that's gonna be my goal and my challenge for today. So I've done this a couple of times with this new tool that we have, and I would love to show you how that works. So let me know in the comments who is joining us. We have some people joining. Hey, Vito. Oh no, you got a haircut, right? Yeah, I got a haircut. How you doing, Gav? It's good to hear from you. And yeah, I got a haircut, taking things to the next level, man. So what I want to do is I want to create this homepage with you guys today. And to do that, I would like to have some kind of a business. And we don't need to know much about this business. We just need to have a business that we want to create this or something. What is this homepage for? So please let me know, and let me even put this banner here. Let me know, what is this homepage for? Right, let's see that. I would love to hear from you guys in the chat. What would you like me to build for this homepage? And I have a fallback, and basically we're gonna rebuild the Atarim homepage if required. But I would love to do it with one of your businesses, one of your hobbies, one of your side projects, one of your agencies. Just let me know in the comments the name of the business and what do you do. And I'm pretty much gonna take it from there and build out this homepage. I'm doing great, just starting my night shift. Okay, that's good. That's good. I hope that this is gonna be interesting for you to kind of like carry you through a little bit, Gav. So let me know, what is this homepage going to be for? What are we building here? Let me know in the chat, and we're gonna have some people joining us here. And great. Okay, cool. So we have some ideas starting to come in. I know this was like a really spontaneous jump onto live, but I still think we can make this happen and make something really beautiful here together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and create some information for my own business for Atarim. And Atarim is a platform that helps web agencies and freelancers deliver website projects to clients. So we already have a homepage, and it's a beautiful one, but we're going to recreate this now with you guys together with just this. So that's all that I need really to get things started with this new system. So let's see what's up. Who is Bertha? Bertha is an AI-generated system that allows you to create copy for your WordPress website, and it has a bunch of different models that are designed or trained after a few a little more than 1,000 websites that I had the opportunity and privilege of creating for different people. And I took everything that I learned from that, and we basically created those models here so that we can speed up the project creation time and really systemize the way that we're gathering and creating content. So let's have a look how this works. So the first thing that I need to do is I'm going to go into Bertha settings, and I'm going to add some information here, right? So I'm going to delete all of these lorem ipsums that we have, and we're going to add the name of the company that we're going to build this homepage for. It's called Atarim, and for this, we're going to drop in just a little bit of text here. That's all that we need, really, only 300 characters. And we have an ideal customer, which is web agencies and freelancers, and the tone of voice, innovative. I like using that, but we can really choose whatever we want to describe what we're doing. Let me zoom this in so you can see what I'm doing here as well, right? So we have tone of voice, innovative. And I'm going to drop in out this banner and go back to here. Great. So I'm just going to save changes. And now all there is left for me to do, so what I did is I loaded up this wireframing template that we're giving to every Atarim user. You can find this within your account, and it has basically all the components of a standard websites. So all that we need to do now is just clean it out and decide what we're going to keep, and we're going to lay out our homepage. So let's do that really quick. So we have 3 types of headers here. I'm going to keep this this one with the 2 menus on the sides, and I'm going to change this text. I'm going to change this text to Atarim. That's the homepage that we're building, right? And then we have a few kind of hero sections. I'm going to keep this one for the example, and we'll drop these ones. Okay, so I'm going to keep this guy, and then we have we have another one here that we don't need. We have those 3 icons. I think we're going to keep that to present some like benefits of this service or this company, whatever it may be. And then we have a different type of section that gives us these icons. I just need one, so I'll just remove these guys. Then we have left, right type of content, and I actually want a few of these, so I'm just going to duplicate this. And I'm going to flip them, right? Great. So now we have 3 left, right images areas. We don't need this guy. And we have this one with checkbox. Yeah, sure. We'll keep this one with checkbox as well. Where did it go? I dragged it somewhere, right? Probably find it later. And so, right. So we have this left, right, and we don't need this part. And we don't need content areas on a homepage, like long content. This is more for this, but I will keep this nice testimonial block here. Great. Then we have these areas. We can use that for services or features or blog or whatever. So I'm going to keep that for this and drop the rest. And finally, we have a way for people to contact us. So I'm going to keep this one. Great, we have a homepage. So let's review what we have so far. We have a top area here with the menus on the sides. We have a hero section with a unique selling proposition and a subheadline here, as well as a call to action. And I have a nice big picture here. Then we have 3 icons for benefits or features, whatever we want to do that over here. Then we have left, right type of content, and we have a testimonial. We're going to use this one for blog, let's say, and or maybe even feature some features that we have, or we'll decide there. And then finally we have a contact us form and an area, right? So let's save this first, and we're gonna dive straight into creating the content. Okay, so far we are about 7 minutes into this presentation. We already have a layout, a page laid out, full homepage wireframe laid out, so that we can now just start creating the content for it. So to do this, if you're joining us right now, what I did is I added some information into my AI assistant, into Bertha, and she will give me the content that I need. All I need to do is just approve it or change it as required. So let's start with the unique selling proposition. I'm going to delete this part, click Bertha here, and create a unique value proposition. And I have some of the That's all the text that I gave the AI. Generate ideas. Let me just do click Control F so we get the full screen. Great. So we have 80% less time on your agency's web design projects, team, and workflows. That's a good one. Atarim is a web agency collaboration platform that makes managing team members, projects, and clients a breeze. That's also a good one. Project and team collaboration management software. That's cool, but kind of bland. Take control over your agency's website, projects, team, and collaboration. Okay, this is a pretty good one. Let's create some more ideas before we make a decision here. The first complete web agency solution. I like that. Take control over your agency, website, project, right? Take control over your agency, right? So I actually like the ones that we got before. So I'm going to go to the history here and click here, and I'm just going to take one of the history items that was created. 80% time on your agency web design projects. A team, yeah, the first and only browser, no, the first and only platform that allows web designers to build websites and web apps. Web code base, right? We're building a new kind of, right? So, I kind of went too far to some of the history with different stuff that I had here. So I'm going to take this one. Take control over your agency. I like that. Okay. Cool. So we got the first sentence in. Now let's dive into the subheading. So to do this, I'm actually need to copy this guy. I need the top title. And now I'm just going to drop this text here. So let's see what we're getting here. And I'm going to go back to my templates. And I don't want this one anymore. I'm going to use subheading. Drop in the title that I have. See what we're getting. A unique toolset designed to help small agencies and freelancers manage projects, clients, and team. That's really cool. But I'm going to create a few more just to see what we're getting here. Atarim is an online project management tool that lets you take control over your web agency, team, and client collaboration. So I actually like this as well. So let's drop this one here as well. And let's get a few more. Atarim is the only cloud-based solution that streamlines all your agency project, team, and workflow to boost productivity and profitability. Atarim is a cloud collaboration platform that lets you monitor your agency. Atarim is the web design project management suite for agency owners, team managers, and freelancers. I love that actually. So I'm just going to drop this in as well, and we'll see what we're going to do with that. Okay, cool. So we have 3 sentences to choose from already, and we're going to see which one works for us. But for now, we're just going to keep all 3, and then we're going to see what's next. So now we have a call to action. Let's see what we're going to have here on the call to action. So I'm going to go back to the templates, and there is a button call to action template here. And the action that I want them to do is start now and save time. Something like that. Let's see what it's going to give me. Start a free trial, click here, free trial, right? Some kind of a generic ones. Let me see if I'm getting something a little more interesting. Start free try now, start now, and save time. Okay, let's do that. Oh, accidentally closed it. Okay, great. So now I have my button for the image. I'm going to upload the image later. So I'm going to continue on to the next stage. So here we have this benefit section. Let's see what we're going to use here for the benefit section. First of all, we need a title for this section. So I'm going to go and choose another template, and we need a section title generator. So we're going to choose from here. This is going to be like, let's see what we're going to use here. We're going to use our features. Generate ideas. And we have reporting tools, reporting to web designers and design teams. There is a complete web development platform that lets you take control over your agency. We had kind of something similar here, but I can see that working here as well. Take control of the time collaboration. All right, so I actually like this one. So let's put this in. And I'm just going to clean out some of this AI-generated mess. And great. So we have our title here. We actually want another subheading here. So I have a few of them. So something that will expand on this: take control over your agency's project, team, and client collaborations. Atarim is the only platform that lets you take control over your web agency's team and client collaboration. That's kind of the same kind of the same. So we're going to try and take this and generate something for this part. So let's have something created here. Choose another template. Let's go to blurb generator. Atarim is an innovative web collaboration platform that brings your agency project team and client collaborations all under one roof. With Atarim, you spend 80% less time managing your client's team and project to boost your agency's profitability. Love it. First one in. So I want you guys to notice that so far I haven't written anything. Everything here was just generated by the AI, even though it doesn't really know anything about Atarim. All that it knows is a little bit of text that I gave it, 300 characters. So that's like 3 sentences. Right, so now we have these 3 parts. And what we want to have here is some benefits of our service. And then we're going to expand those benefits. So we got to get this headline. And first I'm going to go and create some benefits. Benefit list, right? Just generate. Right, and I have a few of them here. Save 80% of your time managing clients and projects. Produce better work, shorter turnarounds, smaller learning curves for new team members. That's great. Generate more leads and revenue. That's not really relevant to what we do. Drag and drop website designer, no. Manage and publish content easily, not really. Take control over your clients and team project. Boost your agency's profitability. That's a great one. Spend only 3 hours a month managing all tasks. That's really we can't promise that. And client in control platform, project timeline, milestone of visibility, team collaboration and workflow management. That's great. So let's have some of these things in, and then we're just going to choose. And I'll take this guy as well. Transition web projects, benefit list. Let's generate a few more ideas here. So we already have 8, but I want more. Fewer meetings, better collaboration between teams, agile project management, high quality deliverables. Okay, that's really good. Efficiently manage team and projects. Receive the latest news from Atarim. Access all project details through a central dashboard. Collaborate fully with your team. Okay, this one is, there's a lot of great stuff here. Tame your chaotic web design projects, team, and workflows. I love that. I'm going to save this for maybe for something else here. Boost your agency's profitability and efficiency. Elevate your brand's value with a stylish, smart, and rich website. Connect face-to-face with clients. Right. So let's start. I'm going to take boost agency's profitability and efficiency. That's definitely what we're doing. And we're also going to go to the next one and get this. Let's see what else I can take from here. Efficiently manage team and projects. That's great. And the third one that I'm going to use here is going to be enhance security for your clients. Not really. Yeah, save 80%. Right. So we kind of talked about profitability and efficiency. We talked about managing team and project, and we talked about saving time. Okay, so this works for me. Those 3 items. I'm going to try and get these just shortened a little bit so they are balanced. So for this one, save 80% of your time, managing of your project completion time. This is the first thing that I had to type in, really. And now let's go and do some blurbs for these parts. So now I need this. And I have a title that I'm going to expand. So choose this, and then we want to use the title to benefit section. So this was designed for these parts. So as you can see, all I'm doing right now is I'm going from top to bottom because the system was designed, or the tool was designed for building websites. As opposed to trying to figure out what to do, I'm just going from top to bottom, and I'm going to get everything that I need as I'm scrolling down. So title to benefit sections. Let me put in the benefit. And we have the description, and now it's going to give me something to place here at the bottom. Atarim helps you spend slight time managing clients and team. At Atarim, we're all about helping you boost your agency's profitability and efficiency. That is why we offer a software solution that allows you to manage all your clients, team, and project collaboration in one place. Will help you boost your agency's profitability by helping you manage projects, team, and clients. All right, let's drop this guy in. And I'm just going to clean it up. Great. Moving on to the next one. Efficiently manage team and project. So I need to do this again. This same process, title to benefit. And great. So let's see what we got here. Efficiently manage team and projects. Atarim is web agency solution that allows you to manage your entire agency project. Yeah, that's great. Boost agency profitability and efficiency. We already have that here. Atarim allows you to manage your team, clients, and project in one place. No more spreadsheets, no more endless email chains. That's great. Awesome. Next. Save 80% of your time, of your project completion time. Or let's say drop 80% of your project completion time, right? Let's do it again. Title to benefit section. Drop. And Atarim lets you focus on your clients, not your web design projects. I love that. With Atarim, you can now concentrate on growing your business and expanding your client base with stress-free workflow. Boom. We have 3 benefits in, and we're ready to go. So now we're going to talk a bit about different features. So if we do a quick recap of what we have so far, we have our unique selling proposition. We have a few lines. I still haven't decided which one of these great lines to keep, but we have just a few of them that we can use. Now let me make this screen bigger. And then we got the call to action button text. We got these parts and 3 benefits. So now I have this left, right, left, right. I'm going to use these to highlight different features. So to do this, I'm going to need to choose which features I want to focus on. So for example, we have a visual collaboration right inside the client's website. I'm going to take this and create the text that is going to be placed here. So what we want to do is there is a model that I think would work great for this, which is the product service description. It's great for features as well. So let's do that. Right, is the first visual collaboration platform that seamlessly integrates with any website, designed to replace expensive, bloated, and complicated project management tools like Bestman, Bugzilla, Jira, and MS Project. That's really cool. Work with your clients, team members, and contractors seamlessly on their website. Atarim's live collaboration allows you to manage project tasks, files, and conversations directly from the client site. Boom. Let's clean it up a little bit. Great, we have a little blurb, and let's get a new call to action here. Save time. Start saving time today. Boom. Right? Sometimes we get these kind of weird places, but this is a part of the AI process. Basically, we got what we came for, and that is cool by me. Next up, we're gonna. We have another small headline here. So let's do that. Let's create some kind of a headline for this. So I can even try, yeah, let's do that. So I can even try and get some of the benefits and then choose what to place on this one. So we're going to do that. I'm just going to go and choose the features that I want to feature, and then we're going to create a benefit list to spread them out in the different areas here. All right, so we need a title. For this, we're going to feature the one-click image optimization. And plus push to media folder. Right, we have a feature. Let's expand on it. I'm gonna go back here, choose another template, and we're gonna click on product service description, drop in the title or the product or the feature really, and let's see what comes out. That's kind of vague, but let's see what they do with this. Image optimization is a pain. We know, we've been there. That's why we created AI ops to automate this process and save you time, so you can focus more on important things like your clients. That's also already great. Web classification, design, plans of projects. The one-click image optimization plus multi folder add-on, especially designed to save you time. With this add-on, you are able to upload and optimize images on your website with a single click directly from the media library. Set an image or gallery features, sticky, and okay, cool. So I can start working with this, but I think that this one was closer. Image optimization is a pain. We know, we've been there. So I can expand on this and say download, upload, minify, save, download again, and again, and again, right? That's why I created the AI ops to automate the process. That's why we created we created this unique feature to automate the process and save you time, right? So you can focus on more important things like your clients. Great, we got it. Let's go back here. We don't need this title because it's already on the top, and there we go. We don't need another call to action here, so I'll delete this one. Then we have a third one. So let's do the central the agency dashboard brings all of your projects together. Okay. Now I don't know if this is such a good headline, so I'm going to use the content rephraser to see if they can make it a little better for me. If Bertha can make it better. So this is the text. Let's see what we're getting. The agency dashboard helps you create winning campaigns. Okay, that's really cool. With the agency dashboard, you can see every one of your projects in one place. And the idea makes you a powerful creative team leader. Woo, I like that. Your agency dashboard is the place where your projects and clients live. I'm actually going to use this for here. Oh, I haven't clicked the right place, or I kind of fumbled on the which one is what here. So let me close this guy. Click update. And just hit refresh just to kind of like see what we have so far. We're almost done. Okay, so I lost this sentence. I'm just going to bring it back from here. I have the history. Great. Then here, I'm going to paste this guy in. Brings right. So with the agency, you can see every one of your projects in one place. The agency dashboard makes you a powerful creative. Yeah, I'm going to make this as well. Awesome. So now we wanted to do those 3 headlines. So we're going to go back to our benefits and we're going to choose stuff from these benefits. So let's see that. Take this back, go to history, and from here I can actually go to this benefit list and see what we have. So we have the agency dashboard, agile project management. That would work from here. Great. Then we have one-click optimization on higher priority activities. That's good for this. Yeah, I actually like the second one better even. And for here, visual collaboration, paying your chaotic web design project team and workflow. That's great. Okay. We have a testimonial. We're going to keep that for an actual testimonial from a client. And then we have the blog, what we're going to be using for the blog area. So we need a title for this blog area. And, instead of saying our blog or something boring like that, let's see what the title generator, section title generator can give us. Maybe it'll give us some boring stuff, but hopefully not. Let's see, our blog or something, client recommendation, our services, how it works. Newsletter sign up, latest articles. Let's get this guy. 5 ways to improve your conversion rate. Crazy new techniques in web design development are making it easy to create responsive. No, that's not interesting. Choose another template. Oh, sorry. Click the wrong button. I want to use the latest articles. And yeah, it gave us this, kind of boring. Let's see what else. Nothing really fancy about this based on the content that we inserted in here. No, didn't get anything cool. So let's try and get this from a different point of view. I'm going to go to the content rephraser and just write in something like latest articles about web design and agency workflows. See what we're getting here. Innovative web design agency workflows from experts at Web Design Group. Latest articles about web design or agency workflow to help you kickstart your own projects, saving precious time and money. I love that. Okay. So great. So we have our blog area title. And finally, we have like a bit of a call to action for contacting us. So let's go there and do the section title generator. I'm going to choose the contact us section. And we've got some boring ones. Let's see if we get something a little more creative here. One that they control. Okay, I like that. All right, cool. And then we want to also have some kind of a description for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some kind of we can do the blurb generator. Atari makes it easy to manage aspects of current projects and workflow in one place. We are writing, supporting, take control, website project, team, and client collaboration, spend 80% less time. All right, so it's kind of like selling brings the groundbreaking solution that enables you to take control of your agency. Cool. Actually, this is kind of the end of this thing, so I might even use the conclusion paragraph. That's the title. Want to take control of your agency, and the call to action is fill in the form below uh, on this page. As we can see, there are many things to consider when running a business. There is no reason to be scared or confused about it. As we can see, there are many tools that can help you increase the productivity. Right now that you know how to take control of your business, it's time to get started. I like that. Okay, well, it doesn't really work with the title on top, but we're gonna fix that as well. If you want to take a look at business and get results deserved, then click here and fill in the form. Okay, actually, this works even better. So let's do this guy. Yeah, and we have even this like with the call and all of that. Right, we don't need the website because we're on the website. Great, so we have it. Now we're just gonna change. So let's see, there is some kind of a bug here with the system, but let me see. It's just not pushing. It's not showing the text within here, but altogether we got to the end, and we're gonna hit refresh just to make sure that we have the final say, and we're just gonna complete this awesomely, right? Awesome, thank you, Facebook user. Okay, we also have a few of those top lines that we saved here for later, and I think I'm gonna reuse them for the bottom sentence as well. Right, it did fill this in. I just need to refresh, so I actually don't want to share this, and we don't need this title. But maybe we can have like one final punch. No, I think that's really is enough here. So I'm gonna use, instead of this, I'm just gonna take one of those items. Atarim is an online, Atarim is the web design project system suite of. No, it actually doesn't fit. So now I need to just choose one from here, and I'm done. A unique toolset designed to help small agencies and freelancers manage projects, clients, and teams. We have smalls, we have big agencies, but Atarim is an online project management tool that lets you take control over your web agency, team, and client collaboration. The web design project management suite for web agency owners, team managers, and freelancers. Okay, I'm gonna take the third one. Oh, I like the unique toolset because this is really true about us. So I'm gonna create like some kind of a collaboration between this. Designed to help agencies and freelancers manage projects. Actually, made a decision and we have it. Cool, done. We have a homepage. It took us 30 minutes from having nothing to having it all written in. As well as creating the layout. So we had like a blank page, but we had using the wireframing template, we created the template in like 7 minutes, and then in 25 minutes, we managed to also generate all of the content for this page. And really, all that we gave the AI is this: 2 sentences. This is all that it needed to create this. So Bertha is now on your side. Now we saw how to use this with Elementor, but if you need it for any other stuff, you can just click here, launch Bertha, and you can use it for anything at any place. Let's say we're creating a new blog post. We can go to Gutenberg and get some blog post ideas. Let's say I don't even know what to write. So let's say ideas. I got topic ideas, and it's just based on my own agency or my own business. It's going to give me some ideas here. Take control of your projects. 5 ways to boost your agency's productivity and impress your clients. I like that. Let's do this. So let's just drop this guy in. I'm going to use this title as the title here, right? Now we want to actually create the blog post, yeah? So let's do that. Why not? We have a few more minutes here on this presentation. It actually was a little faster than I thought. So I'm going to continue and create this a small blog post based on this. So now I'm going to go back and now I need an outline. How is the blog post going to look like? So let's do an outline. We have the blog post outline. And all we need is the title, which we have. And now we have an outline. Let's check which one we want. Start your online search for tools early. You never know when or where new products will be launched. That's true. That's cool. Don't get caught up in latest minutiae. I don't even know what that is. Stay focused on your clients, their needs, and what you can do to improve their situation. Hire an assistant to take care of. Okay, that's really great. Let's do that. But it only gave me 4 instead of 5, so I need a few more. Share information about single work stream, creating a knowledge base for tips, templates, and checklists for developing campaigns. That's great. Putting together advertising one-on-one. Change your weekly staff meeting to bi-weekly or one time per month. No, don't do that. Send weekly status updates to clients and managers. Add a personal touch with each client request. That's really cool, but that's not really relevant. Have remote workers work in the office for a day and a half, right? Make a plan to clean up your work environment. Ooh, that's a quick win and really effective. Clean up your work environment. Okay, so I have like 5 points that I'm going to take from these a few points that was given here. I use a voice recorder to brainstorm sessions instead of taking notes on one, but I don't like that. Make a plan to clean up. Set a timer to increase productivity when creating social media content. That's a good one, actually. But I'm going to keep some of the other ones here. So I have 5. Great. So now these guys, they're going to become my H2s. So let me create that frame. And this is going to be my heading. And also this is going to become my heading. Okay, actually it's good that it did it to all of them. Great. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 titles, and which we're going to start. But before we actually dive into the content, we need like an introduction for this blog post. So let's create an intro. I'm going to go back to Bertha, go in here, and we need an intro paragraph. Right, what is the title? This is the title, and this is the sentiment and ideal customer. So I'm just going to keep that as maybe like friendly. Is it friendly? Yeah, no, friendly. Yeah. Generate ideas for my intro paragraph for this blog post. How can you be more productive at work? What is the secret to being a good web designer or developer? How do you impress your clients and get them to come back for more? Here are 5 ways to boost your agency's productivity and impress your clients. And so you get the idea. You have a blog post that could potentially bring in tons of traffic, right? So Bertha is already telling me what's going to happen, but I like that. Boosting your agency's productivity and impressing your clients. I think the first one nailed it. So we're gonna clean up all of the and so on. Yeah, where's the so on? And we don't need this as a title. This is gonna be like just a paragraph. We're gonna dive in. So now we have these titles and we need to expand them. Let's expand them. We have what we call the blurb generator here, and we're gonna use that to expand these titles. So I just inserted the title. It already knows what the company is, so it knows my focus. And right, innovative companies constantly search for new tools to increase productivity and allow their teams to do more. They found a way to make the process of adding new tools or application easier by developing a dashboard that can help you manage. Right, so that's a good starting point. Unplanned and organized research on the internet can be as bad as none at all. Not only do you miss important opportunities, you also get behind the competitors, making your online presence. Right, that's cool. So we gave them what not to do. Now let's give them what to do. Innovative company search. Let's get a few more ideas just to see what we're getting. And no matter how experienced and established the Attorney platform is built-in help web design more get done. Right, so you never know when new products will be launched. So we can actually try and expand this in a different way. Let's do that. I'm going to go back to the blurb generator, and I'll bring in the title that I have for this section. Start your online search for tools early. You never know when or where new products will be launched. And now I can play with my company description just to generate something that is more relevant. So let me just take this, and I'm going to drop this in and see what we're getting back. With browser plugins, social endless amount of information available online. It's not easy to find where. It's never too early to start planning your online presence. The moment you know what your company is considering expanding its online presence. Has an online presence that most of them use. Okay, cool. So let's use this guy. Right? So I'm going to come back and upgrade this, but the assistant already did its work and gave me what I need to get started on this. Don't get caught up on latest, I don't know what this word is, but I imagine it is a word. So let's see. Blurb generator. Get this title in, and I'm going to generate this. Right, Darim helps you take control over your. This is the kind of like gave me stuff that are relevant to Atarim, and let me see what else we have. Focused on your clients, their needs, and what can be improved in their situation. So I need something that is a little more generic than what was given to me here. So let's go and find the right tool to give us this solution. Maybe even this. Yeah, I'm going to use, actually, I'm going to use this one. This is my title. And don't get up with latest this. Stay focused on your clients, right? So I can change this again to kind of like give it a bit more information of what I'm writing about. Help you avoid wasting time on small mundane details. Actually, it really is relevant to what we're talking about here. Right, so we're going to keep this one. And again, we're going to use this as an assistant so that it did the research for me, and I can continue from here and write this off. And then, right, so I'm not going to write all of the other parts here, but we can already see the power, or hire an assistant to take on. Let's do one more thing, just to give this the power that we want. And we're going to do blurb generator. Take control over this, and we're going to talk a little bit about here. Hire an assistant. Finding an assistant is not easy, but it can save a whole lot of time for us in the long run. Make sure you teach him/her how to execute properly, right? Let's see what we're getting. Many high-level executives and managers in web industry find themselves in similar situations. They need to delegate work that they simply don't have time to. It might be writing articles, creating content for doing research. These tasks can be, that's great, actually. Let's do this. And then instead of this, I'm going to take the next sentence. Hiring an assistant is one of the most effective ways to increase your productivity. Delegating tedious tasks will free up your time. Okay, great. Just going to clean it up and move on. Right, so let's say we did all of those 5 points here. And you can see if I'm going to spend 15 more minutes, I would have gotten those 2 additional points here. But we got 3 out of 5. And now I'm going to move over to the conclusion. Subject of the article is this. And the call to action is try Kareem. As we can see, there are many ways to increase productivity in your agency. We have seen that most of them are common sense, but not always easy to apply. But don't worry, we have created a tool that will make it easier for you to will help you impress your clients with the best possible results. Try Atarim now by visiting Amazing. I think there's even a page called Atarim for, it's not .com, it's .io. I'm going to fix that. I get a link. Great, we have a blog post. So thank you for joining me today. Let's do a quick recap of what happened. We fed an AI, or basically the most powerful AI that is available today on the market. We fed it just 2 sentences about Atarim, and we asked it to create a homepage and a blog post. And that in 45 minutes, we created the layout for the homepage. We created all the content for the homepage. And because we had some extra time, we just created a blog post because why not? We didn't even know what to write the blog post about. So the AI told us what to write this about. And they gave us all of the points of what the blog post will include, and everything just from this piece of text. As you can see, I used my keyboard. Maybe I wrote 3-5 sentences throughout this presentation, but we've actually generated 8,000 words throughout this session. So highly effective at saving time. And if we're already talking about 5 ways to save your agency time, we should probably have 5 ways to boost your agency's productivity and impress your clients. Probably a good way is to get them on Bertha. So I want to give you everyone that is watching this 1,000 words for free every single month, and you can give that to your clients as well. Just go to bertha.ai and get started here. So you see I'm all using our own stuff here, so I'm going to go incognito. Great. So get started for free. You're going to get 1,000 words every single month, so you can create content for your website, upgrade your blog posts, and so on. All you need to do is click here and get started. You're going to get the plugin, you install it on your website, and start creating content straight away. So thanks for joining me today. Let me know if you, let me see some people here. We have some people joining us. So let me know if you have any questions about AI. How does that work? Maybe you've seen some of those things out there, but you're not really confident about how to implement this, or you're not really confident about if this is going to be effective for your specific workflow. So QA time, guys. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? What can we do to help you start writing better content? Let's see, and I'm going to keep that open for just a few minutes because today was a really spontaneous live broadcast. So we don't have many people with us. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people that are going to watch the replay. But I see that people enjoyed it because I got a bunch of likes and stuff. So let me know if you have any questions about AI, about Bertha, how to speed up your content collection from clients, maybe allow them to use this tool. Maybe you can create it for them and just send it over to them to approve it so that when they get stuck, you have a way out of this process. So yeah, let me know. Any questions? Going once, going twice. All right. So have a great evening, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow. We have an interesting broadcast with Johnny from Agency Mavericks, from Troy Dean's coaching program. Is going to be talking about agency profits, as far as I remember. And this is going to be a really interesting session. So come on, join us tomorrow on the live broadcast, pretty much the same time as today. Have a great evening. I'll see you then.